In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Wayfair affiliate program in just a few simple steps. If you're ready to start earning by promoting amazing home goods, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to visit the official Wayfair affiliate program website. Open your browser and type Wayfair affiliate program into your search bar. Look for the official site in the search results and click on it to access the program's main page. This is where you can find all the essential information about the program, such as commission rates, terms and conditions, and the variety of products you can promote. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a prominent button that says Apply Now. Go ahead and click this button to begin the registration process. You'll be taken to an online form where you'll need to provide some important information. Make sure you fill out this registration form with accurate and up-to-date details. This typically includes your contact information, such as your email and your website URL if you have one, along with any social media channels you plan to use for promotion. It's crucial to be thorough and honest here, as accuracy ensures your application won't be delayed due to incorrect or incomplete information. After filling in all the necessary fields, go ahead and submit your application for review. Now it's time to play the waiting game. Keep an eye on your email inbox, as Wayfair will send you an approval notification once they have reviewed your application. This wait is usually pretty short, but do check your spam folder in case their response sneaks in there. Once you receive the good news of your approval, your journey as a Wayfair affiliate marketer truly begins. You'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard, which is packed with resources to help you succeed. Spend some time exploring the dashboard, as it will be your main hub for tracking your earnings, viewing analytics, and finding the affiliate links and marketing materials you'll use to promote Wayfair products. As you start sharing your affiliate links, remember to tailor your promotional strategies to your audience's interests. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating social media content, or incorporating links in your videos, authentic enthusiasm and genuine recommendations can make all the difference. And that's it. You're all set to kick off your affiliate marketing journey with Wayfair. By promoting quality products, not only can you earn a commission, but you also get to introduce your audience to great deals on home decor and furniture. Thanks for watching, and happy promoting!